Compressed natural gas, or CNG, is a leading alternative to traditional fuel for the mobile industry. Parker Finite Filters and elements provide the critical protection required for most alternative fuel systems. CNG is subject to the same types of contamination present in traditional fuels. Minimizing downtime is critical to ensure vehicles are operational and have minimal repair or maintenance delays. By reducing interruptions caused by contamination, operators achieve a higher level of service reliability. The goal with any compressed natural gas system is to prevent compressor oils, aerosols, and other contaminants from migrating downstream to the vehicle. Parker Finite Filtration Media is designed to prevent these contaminants from causing vehicle downtime. Our wide breadth of highly efficient filter media options guard against damaging contaminants that ruin equipment at the dispensing station or a vehicle's fuel system. Finite's depth-style filters are the most efficient for CNG oil carryover capture, removing 99.995% of oil aerosols and particulates. Overall, Parker Finite's proven filtration solution will provide clean CNG for any application. Our compressed air and gas filters have been the industry standard for CNG applications for over 50 years. From pipeline to engine, our Finite filters provide the critical filtration needed to protect equipment. Highly efficient media options include coalescing, particulate, and bulk water separation, with efficiencies ranging from 99.995% to 95%. Finite filter housings perform with pressures ranging from 500 to 6,000 psig. Housings include NPT or SAE port sizes on most models, and various materials are available to ensure performance in harsh environments. CRN registration is available on select models. Trust Parker's engineering excellence to support your alternative fuel needs. Contact us today to learn how our filtration solutions can keep your equipment at peak performance.